plant. Over the last 10 years, we've really grown the business. And I think 5 years ago, to think that we're looking at 30,000 trucks and 15,000 rail, it seemed a long ways away. We've partnered recently with Sunbury, more recently than with MBSR, but both have been very good partners for us. We tend to go above and beyond for our customer, and sometimes that means that by proxy, Sunbury and MBSR have to go above and beyond for us. And this is a celebration not just of those milestones, but all of the milestones that we've achieved over the last 10 years and the growth of the business in general.